Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1068 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's press this button in the left upper corner or this one in the middle to open the menu. Now go down and right to the settings, enter, go to phone settings, enter. Now let's go down once and choose time and date. Now we can select the time zone, just enter it, and here choose the time zone you want to use, confirm it with OK. We can set time and date, so here we can choose the hours just by entering them on the keypad. So for example 12, the day, like 15th of May 2025. Save, and it is done. You can also set the format, so you can choose 24-hour or 12-hour format, up to you. The format of a date, so first day, month, year, month, day, year, or year, month, day, up to you. Just do the same, so select one and press the middle button. You can update with the time zone or auto update time, it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.